Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first deal in real estate. Begin by educating yourself on market fundamentals and local regulations. Develop a clear investment strategy, whether it's wholesaling, flipping, or buy and hold. Network with experienced investors and real estate agents. Their insights are invaluable. Set realistic financial goals, perhaps aiming for a 10% cash-on-cash return on your first property. This foundational work is crucial for long-term success. Next, dive deep into market research to identify promising areas. Look for neighborhoods with strong job growth, low vacancy rates, and increasing property values. Consider specific niches like multifamily units, single-family rentals, or commercial properties. Analyze key metrics such as cap rates, aiming for perhaps a 6 to 8% return, and understand local rental demand. This focused approach helps you pinpoint the best opportunities for your investment strategy. Now, actively source potential deals. Utilize online platforms, drive for dollars, and connect with wholesalers for off-market properties. Once you find a prospect, conduct thorough due diligence. This includes inspecting the property's condition, reviewing financial statements for at least the past 2 years, and checking for any legal encumbrances. Calculate your potential profit margins, ensuring a minimum 20% return on investment for flips or a solid cash flow for rentals. Finally, secure your financing. Explore options like conventional bank loans, private money lenders, or even seller financing. Prepare a strong offer, backed by your due diligence, and be ready to negotiate. Once your offer is accepted, work closely with your real estate agent and attorney through the closing process. Understand all legal documents and fees, which typically range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price, to successfully complete your first real estate transaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.